Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove and also how to replace the front grille from any Mercedes-Benz Vito Tourer from the year 2012 and up. So today I'm working on this car and I will have to remove the old wrap from the front bumper, and because of that I will also have to remove the front grille because the grille is covering the wrapping on the corners. This car is made in the year 2017, but the method which I'm going to show you today is working for all models made from the 2012 and up. So if you have a car made in the 2013, for example, this will work perfectly for you. So to begin, what you have to do, right here you will have a metal bracket, I mean a plastic bracket, which you'll have to remove. You'll have to push this clip from right here, and you'll also have a plastic clip which is holding in mounted on the bumper. After that you'll have also this plastic cover which is covering the grille from the top. You'll have to remove all of these plastic clips using a special tool, or you can also use a flat screwdriver to remove them, but it will be a little bit difficult with a flat screwdriver. Then you'll also have this bracket on the other side, and you'll have those two bolts which you don't have to remove because they are not bothering us in any way. So to begin, like I told you earlier, I'm going to remove this plastic cover from the top. I'm using this special tool, this special dismantle tool, which will help me to remove the plastic clips very easy. But even if you have a tool like this, in some cases the plastic clips will break because they're made by plastics, and it's a very good idea to have some of them in the garage laying around because you will have to replace them with new ones. After that, after you remove all of these plastic clips and after you remove the cover from the top, the only thing which you have to do is to pull from the front bumper in the front of the vehicle. Also, you'll have to verify if your car is equipped with lane control or with ACC, something like that. So if you have any functions behind the Mercedes-Benz emblem from the front grille, you'll have to disconnect the connectors from behind it, because if you don't disconnect the connectors, probably you will break some connectors when you're going to remove the front grille from the front bumper, and you don't want this. So just take that in mind. Just verify if your connectors are directly connected to the front emblem, and if they are not, you are good to go. But if they are connected, you'll have to disconnect them, and only after that you'll have to go ahead and remove the front grille from the car. So as you can see right here, I'm struggling a little bit to remove the plastic clips from the top, and as you can see, I only have one right here which I left it, and after I remove this one, I'm able to remove the complete cover from the top of the engine. So this is the plastic cover. You'll have to put it away. This is how it's looking, and from here, in my case, I'm only going to pull it in the front of the vehicle because the front grille it's holding in with a few plastic clips behind it, and the plastic clips are connected to the front bumper. So what you have to do is to push them from inside to the exterior, and with one hand you'll have to pull the front grille into the exterior of the car. And just look what I'm doing. As you can see, in my case it's coming out very easy, and I'm lucky because I didn't break any plastic clips, so everything is good to go and everything will be very good in the future. So this is how it's looking. This is also what you have to do for your car. And as you can see, if you look very closely, I didn't break any plastic clips. This is where the plastic clips from the front grille are connected to the bumper. And also this is how the front grille is looking. This is how the clips are looking, and from here you'll be good to go. From here you'll have to follow exact same steps to install it back on the car. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.